In this video, we are going to learn about functions in Python. So I'm sure you must be aware a little about functions, what they are. If not, no problem. Assume that we have a program, let's say print hello world, and we want this program this line of program or many lines of program to be contained inside a container. Then we need function, so that when we get an error in future, when we got our program very long, like 500 lines or 400 lines, then we can go to the specific function to find where the error is. Let's see it practically. If we, let's remove this code. So how do we start writing a function? So we need to use the keyword def in Python. Now we need to write the name of the function. So whatever name we want, we can write. Here we will be converting rupees to, or the other way around, dollar to rupees. So let's say, and this two brackets, opening and closing circle brackets, will represent this name as a function. So whenever you see these two brackets, you must understand the name written with these brackets is a function. So this is the definition of a function. We need to write code inside this block. So let's say we want to convert our write inside our function that print this function converts dollar to rupees. Now if you try to run this program, you see it will print nothing, because although we have a function that prints something, we never called it. So whenever you write something inside a function and you want to run that, you need to call the function. For calling, let's get back to the original position and call the function dollar to rupees. So this is how you call a function. And now when you run this program, our code inside the function will be executed. So let's say we have this program and we want to actually convert dollar to rupees. So what we need to do, we need to pass something in dollar, let's say $2, and then we'll get output in rupees. So let's say we want something in dollar, we want something in dollar. So let's say, or maybe dollar, let's say these are the argument inside function. So if you want to pass something inside the function to get the output, we need to pass these variables. Let's say we want to pass $10, and while running this function, we actually want to convert these $10 to actual rupees. So we can have a variable named rupees and dollar. What is the cost of dollar nowadays? Let's say it is around 70, and this rupee variable will consist the value of dollar in rupees. So function converts, let's say, right, or value of dollar is rupees. Now whenever you try to concatenate these two values which are not of same type, we need to convert them to string, as this is a string, but this rupee variable contains integer value. So we need to convert it into a string for concatenating it with the string. Now if you try to run this program, we will actually get the value of $10 in rupees. The best part is you can call this function multiple times. That's why functions are used for making reuse of the code, so that once you write a code and you can make its use how many times you want, how much, let's say 12, 112 and see 1000. Now if you run this program, we'll get all the values similar and calculated properly. So this is why we use function to make proper use of our code. We'll learn a little more about function in the next video.